Hey Apple, we're 82H Inc. from Japan, and before we start demonstrating the features, we would like to briefly explain the basic concept of this app. To be noted, we've released the same app last year, December 12, 2014. This app here. Okay. As a result of our reflection, we have decided to release this newest version by applying once again as a new app and not as an update, considering the major improvements and change of usability, hopefully making it possible for our end users to feel the change strongly. Okay, so this application, Time Wallet, is a common loyalty program service app which allows users, both membership registered users and non-registered users, to practically save their staying time at stores in cooperation with Time Wallet. The saved staying time in minutes will be converted to a point unit called min, which is 1 minute, 1 min, 16 minutes, and 16 minutes. Okay. And they can be exchanged with various service coupons available. At the moment, this service is only available in Japan, but we are pushing it forward to globalize this app use. And yes, we're making it results. We're just about to realize this service also in Korea as well. The core of this service comes with the correspondence with BLE beacons. To briefly explain, this Time Wallet app measures the connection and disconnection time between the user and the BLE beacons, which will finally be the total staying time. Alright, so we would now like to move on with the registration here. So this is the terms of use page. We'd like to agree to both terms and push on with the registration here. Okay, so this is the information page. It's asking whether if you're a previous 1.2 version user or if you're a newly registering user. So we would like to go with the one at the bottom that says new register. Okay, to be noted, this app requires the user's phone number, and for this verification, the verification itself only works for Japanese mobile couriers. So just to let you know, if you're testing this app, then it's not going to work for you guys. Alright, so let's get started with the verification. So we'd like to push on with the phone numbers here. It says, and go newly register. And we'd like to press the verify button. By pressing the verify button, it will push you with an SMS messages including the verification code. It says 95670. 95670. Confirm. Verification succeeded. So we'd like to push on again with random password 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Password confirmation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This would be the user's password here. And this is date of birth. Let's say suppose I'm born in 1993, April, and I'm a male. And this is the zip code. To let you know, just for your information, the Japanese zip code only requires 7 digits. So we would like to go on. Registration succeeded. Welcome to Time Wallet. We provide you with 10 minutes. Alright. This is the tutorial page. It gives you a brief idea of just an overview of the service itself, or what Time Wallet presents, and we'll have to close that. And this is a map search page. And here's the map here. Just shows your location where you've booted your app. And here is the shop list here. So the shop lists are categorized into five categories. It says all, save, use, web, and favorites. So I'd like to go with the all menus, and by pressing the shop, one of the shops here, let's say go with this shop here, we'll jump you to the map here, where the store's exact location is, and here is the details for the shop. This is just a brief details, and just we can push on with the further details, just with the coupon informations and the detailed informations. Now we would like to go to further details. Okay, so this is the store detail page. As you can see with the store image as well. And here's the further informations, detailed information such as addresses, phone numbers, and business hours, and etc. etc. And you can actually make a phone call here by pressing the phone button. It'll allow you to phone call. Oops. No, well, it's supposed to be working. And okay. And here's the coupon details. And this is the favorites button. This is the one with the ribbon here. Okay, we'd like to stop here at the moment, and we'd like to demonstrate you how the BLE beacons are supposed to be working. Alright, so let's say I'm actually in this store here, directly accessing this store here, and suppose I'm there, and if I'm there, then it's supposed to be working with the beacons here. So let's have the beacon. Alright, so I'll show it together with the older version, Time Wallet, and the one right now. So now it says check. Now it says possible to check in right now. Notice it's working here, and notice it's working here too as well. And it says by pressing the left top corner button, it says with the status of accumulating the min right now. So it's just simply just been a couple of seconds. It just says 0 min. So, all right. Now I would like to add this to favorites. Let's say the cafe pancakes were good, and I would like to save this to the favorites list. All right. So we'll like to push on again. We'll come back to this beacon once again later. Alright, back to the top page. Now we'd like to see the one on the right side. The one with the text box here on the top is the store search page. Let's say I'd like to search the same store that I visited right now. So, and now, sorry, excuse me, it's in Japanese. And go. There we go. It shows you the shop once again. We can try it with another one that says any times. Oops, it's supposed to be working. Oh, so any. There we go. It's working. All right, so we would like to push on with the ones, the menu on the right side. Notice I have 100,000 mins because this is a test account. Alright, so let's say go with the one at the very top on the menu button. It should guide you to the top page that explains the map search page. And the second one here shows you to the favorites page. Notice I haven't have any one of the favorites added pages. But it's also categorized here. It says it says save, use, and web. And here is the saved favorites page. Notice that's the one I've added to my favorites because it's only because it's a store with only use purpose of the min here. All right. So now we'd like to push on with the coupon exchange here. Alright. So this coupon here is the coupon for the actual shop that I visited a couple of seconds ago, or I'm currently visiting right now. And it says it requires hold on. And it requires 10 min. Let's see. Go to the very bottom of the page. This is the coupon detail page. Go to the very bottom. Notice, beforehand, notice that you can access the store details as well, once again. And go to the very bottom. It says agree to terms, and go coupon exchange, and it requires your user password here, so the one that I added. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my user password here. It says thank you, you've used 10 min to exchange with this coupon here. And it says close or use immediately. We'd like to close for a moment. And that's just it for the coupon exchange. Now we'd like to move on with the My Coupon menu here, the one on the bottom of the coupon exchange button. Here. So this is the one that I've exchanged a couple of seconds ago. There you go. Now you go to the very bottom and it says Use Coupon here. Notice I'll briefly explain, but there are two types of coupons here that we're going to test here. It's the one with the one that requires beacons, and the one that requires the shop owners, the store owners, password input. So this one here requires the beacons here. Right. Go to Use Coupons, and it briefly explain how to use it, and go to Use. Now it requires the stored beacon here to actually to activate the coupon here. Notice that it says connect here, but it's not working because this is not the beacons it requires. And now we would like to demonstrate how it works. So this beacon here is supposed to be working. And so notice that it just says you couldn't find any beacons here. You go to cancel once again, you go once again, connect with this beacon here. There we go, it says OK. Cool stuff. Right, so that's how you use this coupon here, this type of coupon here, the one that requires the actual beacon, the specified beacon here. And we'd like to show you another one that requires the password input from the store owner here. This one here. Alright, I haven't visited this store yet, but you can exchange your min with the coupon here. Password requirements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. And it says close or immediate use. You go to immediate use. Right. And it briefly explains once again. And this one requires the store owner's password input. There you go. So I'll let him use it. Notice that the user wouldn't know this password. There you go. It says OK. It's working. Right. So these are the two types of coupons here that I'm supposed to be working with. And there you go. And you right now, so if you go to the left side top corner, Alright. So right now I'm accessing this store here. It says Moena Cafe Harajukuten. This is the store that I'm visiting right now. It says 7 minutes, so I've been talking for 7 minutes right now. And so at this moment we would like to check out. So so it's just like you're leaving the store. Okay. So basically if you're just going out of the beacon range, then it checks out automatically. There we go. It says checked out, required 7 min, arigato means thank you, we're waiting for you again. It says okay. Okay, now you've checked out already, completely. Now we'd like to move on with this status here. This says, this should be working right now, this is the whole original. Okay, it says 8 minutes, just a little change here. Alright, we'd like to move on with the use history. Now it says, on this history, it says, from the very oldest one here, it says 10 min exchange with this type of coupon, and you've used this coupon here, you've exchanged, you've used, and this is the acquired min at, so this acquired min at this kind of store. So I visited Moena Cafe Harajukuten, and you've stayed for 7 minutes and you've acquired 7 minutes. Alright. Keep moving on. This is the information page, news page, information page. We've uploaded only a couple of test messages here. Notice that the newest ones have N badges, which would be erased in 1 week. These would be updates the users can roam around and search for. If they're looking for new information, they can come over here and look at them as well. Alright, this is the member information page. Notice that it says at the very bottom, notice that it's on the very top here, it's the registered date, and the one in the middle, it says how much min you have right now. So it just says 99,987 minutes. So we've used a couple of them. So, and this is the member ID. It says 220015. It says 10, so it has 10 digits. Right. So this is the password. If you're wishing to change your password, you can come over here and enter the current password, new password, password confirmations, and so on. This, the one on the very bottom, if you're wishing to, if you're wishing to erase your membership, then go ahead, confirm, it should work. Enter your password, and so on. You can try it. I'm not going to do that right now because I'll probably do it in the end. Okay. In the very bottom here is the settings page. Application settings, push notification settings, if you're turning it on, turning it off. And the one at the very top is the second one is with the tutorials once again. And this is the version informations with the terms of use and privacy policies. It's back here. This is the FAQ page. Pretty self-explanatory, so we'd like to skip that. A couple of SNS services: Line, Facebook, Twitter, Kakao Talk, email, and Skype. Right. That's just it for the moment here, and now we've kind of went through most of it at the moment. So that's just about it for now. And thanks for watching, and hopefully if this service comes over to US, then it'll be really thankful if you guys can use it again as well. Thank you.